Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? Happy Sunday to you, or happy weekend. I hope everybody is all right. So this video is about our reaction. You may call it a reaction or a response, or a kind of reaction, all right, um, on what happened today. Some of you have seen the news. Actually, with the title you can check the title. You know that one of the DOS member who happened to have quitted before. He have done that in the past, and he somehow nicodemously walked back to talk about Biafra after telling the whole world that he's no more interested in Biafra struggle. And today, somebody like me, I was kind of, why is he talking about Biafra after he has made the video in the past, and now he have done the video again? Because from what he said, you understand that probably some people called him, called him before to, kind of to bring him back to continue talking about Biafra, and that is what you have done. So you have done that, and I believe some of us have seen that. I don't need to start telling you what that means. But why I'm bringing it here today and now is for those of you that have not seen it to see that. And we are going to make some comment on that. And without wasting much of your time, I think it is good for us to start with that video that he made, telling the whole world that he's no longer interested in IPOB, and people should not call him, an IPOB member anymore. So we are actually streaming on the both channel, and you can subscribe to us, like the video, comment, tell us what you think about the whole thing that we are going to discuss, especially about this very guy here. He normally likes to call people this thing here. So let me use that on him, this thing here, and you can see him. So somebody may have a comment already. Kruma, see you. He said a greeting to all their friends. Please thumbs up and share the message, go viral. Thank you so much. And people that are watching, if you join us in any of the two channels, please like the video and tell us what you think about what we are going to discuss so far. So no IPOB, right? Wait, it means no IPOB, right? IPOB. Maybe innocent. Are you seeing the news for the first time? Or her, our PM, hit the like button. Thank you so much, Erin. I see you, one of us. So let's start by this video, and you are going to hear what this guy said. Okay, I think that will make more sense to the whole thing that we are going to discuss. Okay, sorry about that. I think.
Okay. Good morning, my listeners all over the world. My name is Ike Nguluago, and I have this special announcement for you this morning. I would like you to listen attentively. I understand that some of you have been trying everything humanly possible to get to me to know where I am. And there's a whole lot of rumors out there that Ikenga was suspended. Ikenga was this, Ikenga was that. I want to let you know that nobody suspended me in IPOB, and nobody will ever suspend me because I did absolutely nothing.
And nobody would ever suspend me. That statement simply means, and nobody would ever suspend me. That means you are above the law. All right? He said, because I did nothing wrong. In our Juma, you're going to come match. Anyway, whether you are being suspended or not suspended that's not the reason why I might play your video. Let's continue.
I am a man who have chosen to always stand by the side of truth, because I understand that the only thing that can give you freedom is truth. Because our Bible said, if you know the truth will set you free. And because of this, I want to make my stand known to all of you today. And I would like you to listen attentively. On my last two videos, I made a pronouncement that if the leader of indigenous people of Biafra appear in court, that's I think 3 days ago, the court appearance of the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. If he eventually appear in court and refuse to tell us, or to let people know, not to tell us, because people like myself knew that the boy called Simon Eber is not a member or either working with us in IPOB. I can't tell whether he's working with the leader of indigenous people of Biafra or not, but so long as I'm concerned, as a member of IPOB, I knew that he's not working with us, he's not with us. But not everybody knows this. And there's a whole lot of a kind of statements from this guy that when you listen to, when I say this guy, I mean Simon Eber. When you listen to him, his statement is making it to look like he's actually working for the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, or the killings they are currently carrying out in our land. They are doing it because of the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. Even on videos, they have said it. Oh, we are doing this because they are holding the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. If you ask them why are they piloting the sit at home, they will tell you they are doing it because of the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. Anything these people commit, if you ask them, they will tell you they are doing it because of the leader of indigenous people of Biafra.
Okay, let me pause him here for a moment. And I want us to pay very good attention to this. And two things he mentioned here. One is the killing of people, which we all condemned, and nobody supports buying of anybody. I don't think any sensible human being will be celebrating of death of anybody. Human's life is one of the most important things that everybody should protect, and do your best to avoid getting yourself into that kind of act. We don't support any violence, whether from anybody at all, and we're not preaching for violence at all. This platform, like I always say, disclaimer, we don't support any violence or any kind of any individual, be it a Biafran or non-Biafrans. Human's life is more important. In fact, our people are known for being careful when human life is involved. If you check the culture and tradition of Igbo people, there is no culture in our land, no deity in our land that you can say that we are proud of this deity, that every year we sacrifice human body to that. Nobody. If anybody have that kind of charm, you are doing it on your own personal issue, and it must be secret. Therefore, buying of people in our land is something that everybody condemns, right? But are we looking for the people that are buying people? I mean, are they secret? I don't think so. So if you are talking about buying people and people losing their life, what is going on, insecurity, all this kind of excuses that people always come up with. If that is what you are trying to say here, first of all, tell yourself the truth. Who is responsible of buying people in the first place? If you don't know, you can ask questions. Forget about your hatred about any individual, any particular person. Don't use that to judge or don't portray it as if that is the real thing that's going on. Yes, there's time for propaganda. You can do propaganda. You can do your show your anger, your head, like what you are doing here. You said when you started the video, at the beginning you said this boy in Finland. You actually calling him a boy, and calling him a boy is to show your anger that you don't care about him. He's a nobody to you. But does that mean that he's not somebody? The answer is no. That's your personal opinion. So we know who is our prime suspect of buying people in our land. And mind you, as far back as 2016, 2017, 2014, even from 2013, we have seen many cases, you understand, of people buying one person, another, you buy this one, you buy the other one. So it is very, very easy. Mazekai PM is live, really. On Twitter, let me check. Are you sure? Are you sure what you're saying? It can be true now. Hold on. John Uchenna, PM is live. Okay, let me see. Just hold on. If PM is not live and you say this, I will not be happy with you, my brother. Just a moment. Okay, that is all. Okay. It's true. Okay, we are going to end the video now. So probably we are going to have. I will come back again, but let me allow Ikenga to say what he's saying until the end. Then I will end it. All right. We are going to come back again to complete the video because I just started the video. To be honest with you, I was there. Okay. Oh, Erin, you should have let me know now. Immediately, you should have told me. But no problem. Let me complete this audio of Ikenga. Then later when you come back, we don't need to waste much time on it again. Let me just allow it to play. Okay. No, I did not know that. I didn't know at all. I didn't know. That PM having think this is a town hall meeting with
My name is Ikenga
US. Okay.
And I have this special announcement for you this morning. I would like you to listen attentively. I understand that some of you have been trying everything humanly possible to get to me.
No problem, my sister, no problem.
And there's a whole lot of rumors out there that Ikenga was suspended. Ikenga was this, Ikenga was that. I want to let you know that nobody suspended me in IPOB, and nobody will ever suspend me because I did absolutely nothing. Just that I am a man who have chosen to always stand by the side of truth, because I understand that the only thing that can give you freedom is truth. Because our Bible said, if you know the truth will set you free. And because of this, I want to make my stand known to all of you today.
The video is actually hanging, and That simply means that I will just allow it. So we are going to end it now. Later we'll come back, we can play it again. Let me see, actually, let me know the reason why it's hanging. So thank you so much for your time, and we are going to be, we will come back later to complete the video. We have not done anything on this video, to be honest, and I didn't know that PM is live. So we are going to end it now, and we'll be back again. Thank you so much for informing me, and what is the name of this our, excuse me. Okay. Thank you, John, for letting me know that PM is live. So we are going to come back again, like I said, and we will complete the video by then. Thank you so much.
And I would like you to listen attentively. On my last two videos, I made a pronouncement that if the leader of indigenous people of Biafra appear in court, that's the, I think, 3 days ago, the court appearance of the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. If he eventually appear in court and refuse to tell us or to let people know, not to tell us because people like myself knew that the boy called Simon Eber is not a member or either working with us in IPOB. I can't tell whether he's working with the leader of indigenous people of Biafra or not, but so long as I'm concerned, as a member of IPOB, I knew that he's not working with us, he's not with us. But not everybody knows this. And there's a whole lot of a kind of statements from this guy that when you listen to, when I say this guy, I mean Simon Eber. When you listen to him, his statement is making it to look like he's actually working for the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, or the killings they are currently carrying out in our land. They are doing it because of the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. Even on videos, they have said it. Oh, we are doing this because they are holding the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. If you ask them why are they piloting the sit at home, they will tell you they are doing it because of the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. Anything these people commit, if you ask them, they will tell you they are doing it because of the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. Because of the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. So therefore, as an IPOB member, I said that our leader supposed to explain. There is nothing like ignore. There is nothing like don't say it. There is nothing like it's not like you don't supposed to. Because then as a mandate. See, now our leader supposed to explain to the world. Since these people claim that they are even the one in charge of your Lego team, they are even the one doing what you want. They are even the one, they are the one that you hand over power to. No, simply let the world know, since you now have opportunity to speak in the court, simply let the world know that these people are not working for you or they are working for you. But our leader actually appeared in court 3 days or 4 days ago. And he did not say anything about it. So therefore, because of that, I, Ikengu Luago, have chosen to quit IPOB for real. The reason why I want people to know this, I don't want it to be like the one that happened before. Some people may argue, oh, why do you have to come and say it? Why can't you move on and leave it? You don't need to announce it. I have to announce it because I don't want anybody to attach me with anything that has to do with IPOB tomorrow.